What makes a guest choose one hotel over another? Why do some restaurants thrive while others struggle to attract customers? In the busy world of the hospitality industry, success goes beyond just providing excellent service. It is also about knowing how to promote your business in the right way. This hospitality marketing course will equip you with the essential skills to attract guests, boost revenue, and build a strong brand. You will start by understanding the fundamentals of hospitality marketing and the unique challenges of this dynamic industry. After that, you will learn what drives guest decisions, how to segment your audience, and how to create meaningful connections that keep customers coming back. From market research to digital strategies, you will explore every aspect of marketing in hospitality. You will discover how to build a strong online presence, master social media, and leverage online travel agencies to increase bookings. Then, we will explore branding, reputation management, and storytelling to make your business stand out. Moreover, you will get to know about emerging trends such as sustainability, influencer marketing, and the latest technologies shaping the hospitality industry. Finally, you will learn how to handle crises effectively and develop recovery marketing strategies to maintain business resilience. Whether you are a hotel owner, restaurant manager, or aspiring hospitality professional, this course will give you the tools to succeed in an industry where guest experience is everything. So, what are you waiting for? Enroll now.